Ready? Start. It is also significant to mention that Appendix A has not been changed right from the Rules 1983, Rules 1995, and the Rules 1998 full stop. The details which are required to be submitted in the format of Appendix A are very important full stop. A complete reading of Appendix A would show that all the necessary information regarding the number of sanctioned posts, details of the teachers' seniority list, the qualification of the teachers' subjects in high school oblique inter strength of students, etc. In brief, almost all the information are with the inspector of the school's full stop. The inspector from his records can easily find out about the eligibility of the teachers for promotion, date of vacancy, and the vacancies likely to fall in a recruitment year. Full stop para. In addition to above, the board, in respect of the direct recruitment and the joint director of education for the promotion, have the power under the provisions of the Act and the rules to ask the inspector to submit additional information which they need in respect of the direct recruitment and promotion. Full stop para. Hence, in view of the scheme of the Act and the rules, it is evident that the intention of the legislature is not to give free hand to the management full stop. It has to send only information to the inspector, and it does not have any authority either in the Principal Act or in the rules for promotion of a teacher full stop. Its simple duty is to send all the information of the teachers who are eligible for promotion, irrespective of the fact whether they have applied or not. Full stop para. In view of the above scheme, if any vacancy occurs in the promotion quota and any teacher in the institution is eligible for promotion in terms of Rule 14, then he has to be considered for promotion. Full stop. In case the management does not send the requisition, there are two options open to the inspector. He can ask the management to send the information, and in case it does not send, the can forward the name of the eligible candidates to the committee under section 12 of the act on the basis of the records of the institution as mentioned in sub rule 6 of rule 4 of the rules 1998. Full stop para. Whether a dependent can claim appointment against a post of teacher even after the post has been requisite to the selection board in view of the regulations 101 to 106 of chapter 3 of the regulations framed under the Intermediate Education Act merely because he has qualifications for the same, specifically when on the date of requisition no such application for compassionate appointment was pending. Full stop para. Whether Article 16 of the Constitution of India will be applicable to the teachers working in recognized intermediate colleges which are under the private management, even if aided by the state government. Full stop para. Whether the judgment of the division bench of this court in the case of Ved Prakash Supra lays down the correct law. Full stop para. Later on one more question was added by the full bench under Chapter 6, Rule 6 of the Allahabad High Court, Rule 1952, full stop. The said question reads as under, full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.